आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत क्लायंट साईड स्क्रिप्टिंग मधला नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. फर्स्ट चॅप्टर बेसिस ऑफ जावास्क्रिप्ट मधला व्हॅल्यू अँड व्हेरिएबल्स. व्हॅल्यूज अँड व्हेरिएबल. ओके, तर व्हॅल्यू अँड व्हेरिएबलमध्ये लेट अस सी फर्स्ट कन्सेप्ट व्हॅल्यू. ओके, value is the information that you place in the code of web page or JavaScript is called a value. Now value means what? Let us we have seen one example. Suppose hello world. Okay, now in this example HTML body tag. After that body, inside the body there is script tag. In script tag language, JavaScript, language type text or JavaScript. That is syntax of writing JavaScript program. And inside there is one method document dot write hello world. Script tag complete here, body tag complete, HTML tag complete. Okay, now here hello world is a value that is called as a, in JavaScript it is called as a value. Why? Because it is placed in the code of web page. Okay, here actually directly value is placed, there is no any variable is placed, so that it is called as a value. Okay, so information that you place in the code of web page or JavaScript is called as a value. Okay, so when we run this program we are getting the value displayed onto the output screen, that is hello world. Okay, now there are 6 types of value that we have to see. Now there are 6 types of values. The first value is number, second value is string, third value is boolean, fourth null, fourth fifth object, and last one is a function. These are the 6 types of values that we have to see one by one. Now first value is number. So number is a numeric value that can be used in the calculation. Now number may be decimal, integer or character. Number is decimal, integer or floating point real value, or it may be what can we say? So number is a numeric value or a numeric value that can be used in calculation. That may be real number or integer number, real or integer. Okay. Now second point is a string. Now string is a text that includes within the pair of quotation mark. Actually it may be single quotation mark or double quotation mark. That is a string. Now boolean value that may be either true or false, but which is represented as 0 or non-zero. In JavaScript it is represented as 0 or non-zero. Now the third type. Now let us see fourth type, null. Now fourth type is a null. Null is the absence of any value. When there is a declaration of variable and if we don't store any value into the variable, then that variable is called as a null variable, or it is the absence of any value. Okay, now next point is the functions. Now functions actually perform action when you call the function in JavaScript. Okay, there are 2 types of function, predefined and custom functions. Now predefined function means functions are already defined by the JavaScript and we are just calling that functions. And custom function means we have to define each and every functions, and after defining that functions we have to call that function. Now custom functions are not defined by JavaScript, it is defined by the user. Now last concept, it is a variable. Okay, a variable is basically placeholder that holds a spot for data that can be changed during the execution of program. A variable actually storing the value, but it is actually not directly storing the value, it's storing the address or a spot that that can be stored into the JavaScript, and that according to that spot it can change the value during the execution of program. Again I am repeating the definition. Variable is basically placeholder that holds a spot for data that can be changed or during execution of program. Okay, now let us see next point, that is variable. A variable definition we have seen. Now let us see the variable declaration. Variable must be declared before using it. The syntax is var variable name. Var is a keyword used for all types of variable, and var name is the name of variable. Example, var student name. So these are the examples of the student name is a variable. Student name underscore name is a variable, and var is a data type. Actually in JavaScript all types of data type are stored as a var data type. There is no separate data type. We are using the var, and when we are storing the value, so according to that value it interprets its result. Okay, what is a result? Now let us see declaration of variable we have seen. Now let us see next point. initialization of variable. Actually declaration of variable is completed. Now its part is the initialization of variable. Now initialization of variable means what? We should write that it is initialization of variable. Initialization of variable means when the variable is declared, at that same time if you are storing the value into that variable, then it is called as the initialization of variable. In JavaScript there is a probably all the variables are initialized when they are declaring. Okay, so here initialization of variable I have to write initialization. Initialization of variable. So initialization of variable means what? Normally place a value in variable when they are, let us see once again. Initialization of variable means place a value in variable when they declare variable. This is called as the initialization of variable. Now let us see the syntax where variable name assignment after value. Now here where is written as it is in example name, we have variable name we have written as a name, and value we have written inside the double quote Samartha. Okay, so this is a part that we have seen. So the remaining part we'll see in the upcoming lecture. Okay, so right now we'll stop here. So I request to all students, you should write this video notes into your notebook, and after writing it you should say